even go so far to say that 80% is actually data cleaning efforts, most of the times. Hello everyone, welcome to the series Why AI Projects Fail. If you're new here, hi, I'm Diana. I work in technology consulting and I've had the privilege to work with multiple AI and data related projects, and I'm here to share my experience in the hope that somebody will find it useful and that I will learn from you as well. Today we're talking about another problem that is very common in, AI projects that end up failing, and that is bad or missing data. There's a common phrase in the AI project space: garbage in, garbage out. Well, it actually is like that. If you don't have good data, you're very likely gonna fail. Now, I have been through these stages myself. Personally, I find the part where you have to prepare the data for your algorithm rather boring. It is a boring task, but it's actually one of the most important tasks if you want your AI model in the training process to actually make sense of any patterns that might there be in the data. I would even go so far to say that 80% is actually data cleaning efforts, most of the times. This is the phase of the project where you're looking for missing labels, if you're doing a supervised learning AI kind of project, or where you have inconsistent formats. Are there any duplicate records? Stuff like that that you just need to do before you begin the training process. To be honest, data is just such a big part of AI projects. You literally cannot have AI without having the data. And when we talk about AI, we talk about algorithms that look through the data and try to find out patterns from the data. And then the deliverable are gonna be the model parameters, but those model parameters have been learned based on data. So if your data has not been, for example, representative of what's in the real world, then your model is not gonna be able to generalize on what's out there. That's why it's very crucial in the early stage process, think data, look into data, clean your data, prepare your data, collect your data if you haven't done that before, and make sure you have the right amount of data, the right data for the problem that you're trying to solve before you actually overpromise on this new AI-based product that is super shiny and that is going to solve all the problems in the world. Take a step back, think about the data. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm super excited about learning from you as well, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Stay tuned for the next episode. That one is gonna be also quite interesting.